This time I'm back in Pevkos because I have score to settle. It seems like I haven't explored Pevkos enough and it won't let me sleep during night. So today I'm here. I'm trying to find where is Plakia Beach, Kavos Beach and Fokia Beach, because we have explored all the main streets in here. But I want to know what else is here. So today I will take you with me and we will go together and see how are these beaches. So let's go. Pevkos, here we come. We are near the main road at the moment in Pevkos. So I think the closest one is Plakia Beach, which is that way, and I haven't shown you that way anyway, so let's go and explore it together. This time I'm driving on the road because some people got mad that I drove on the sidewalks. But in Greece, if you want to live, you drive where you can, and what is the safest option for you. So many people talk that Plakia Beach is really nice. Today I hope I can see that. So I don't know if you have visited Pevkos before or you are watching this the first time, then let me know in comments. Have you visited Pevkos before? And if not, then when are you coming? Because there is a reason why you watch Pevkos videos. So I'm just curious. So Plakia Beach, golden sand, seems really nice on the picture. Let's see what it's like in real time. So today is 7th of June 7th, 2025. So let's see what we have here. Okay, we already see some sunbeds, umbrellas. Let me take a view from here. Small, nice beach. Seems like a private one, but I know it's open for public. So let's go and take a look. I know during floods they had a little problem here with the road. So it's nice to see that they have fixed it. This is not the road for a scooter. So let's see what we have here. Maybe I can put my scooter somewhere. It is indeed golden sand. I wonder how much the sunbeds are. The water is crystal clear, and I remember when I rented a license-free boat, then that was the best experience I have had, because we came here with a license-free boat near this beach, dropped our anchor, and it was the best experience we had because it gives you so much freedom. Clear waters, swimming and so on. Usually the sunbed prices are around 20 euros for a set. These seems like more comfy ones, so they may be 30 euros. Have you visited this beach? This is first time for me. Seems like this beach is the beach I would come, because it's nice, it's small, not too many people Water is clear and you have changing rooms here. Not sure about the toilets though. So this is Plakja beach, golden sand. So what we have here: speedboats, leisure boats, fishing trips, VIP speedboat. I decided not to use the main road in Pevkos today, so I'm going around. So this is the main road for cars outside Pevkos. So let's take this road to Pevkos, and we should have some great apartments, villas and hotels here. And I was thinking, let's go to Fokja beach first, as it's the farthest one. So it takes a little bit time to get there. What we have here, we have Blue, day-night food and drinks. Pevkos Blue. This is Pevkos Blue Hotel. We have pool there. Nice garden. A little bit remote location, which is nice if you want some quiet and away from crowds. If you're watching my videos for the first time, then I moved to Rhodes 2 years ago, and since then I have been making videos about Rhodes. So I think I am the biggest YouTube channel about Rhodes, so I have visited many places, trying to show you places. And I don't consider myself as a local, because all my videos are made like from the eyes of a visitor. So I'm just a visitor, just like you, and I'm trying to show you around from my point of view. So I don't really know about history, because I'm really bad at history. And I'm trying to do my best to record as many videos as I can, show you as much ground and places as I can. But still, sometimes some people ask me why I didn't visit that place or that place. Well, mostly it is because of the money, because every time I step out of my home, it's minus 50 euros for me, and I get back like 5 euros. So this is the reality of being a YouTuber. But here we have a Lindos Nest hotel, which is 4 stars. Very nice, very clean, on top of the hill. You can see Pevkos from here. It's nice. They also have a pool. And you get view over Pevkos from here. Very nice view. It's quite hard to capture it with the camera, because you can't see the depth of the video. So in real life it's much nicer than it is in video. But let's do our best and show you what's around. It's just like a hike in the nature outside of Pevkos. I didn't know it has such a great nature around. Yeah, it's a little bit high climb, but it is what it is. This should be Eagle's Nest, if I'm not mistaken. You can see Eagle's Nest from my last Pevkos videos where I visited. My friend stayed here, so I made a little review about this place. Yes, that's Eagle's Nest. Really nice hotel. I definitely would be here. And today also I came in the morning because I try to like save my video cost and record many videos. Otherwise I had a plan to record Pevco's nightlife, and I wanted to rent a room, but I just can't pay 100 euros for a one night stay to record a nice video, so I decided to go live today. So if you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and following me in my social media, then you probably see that notification that I will be live tonight in Pevcos. The time this video will be uploaded, then the time is over, but maybe next time. And the reason I'm making a live video during nighttime is because I can't upload videos where there is a copyrighted music, so I rather show you the live video about Pevcos, and who is there and sees that all. So it's nice. I wonder where this road leads us. Does it lead to Kavos Beach or somewhere else? Let's see. By the way, I really like Pevcos Facebook community. I think it's the nicest community on the whole island, and I happily come back here whenever I can, because Pevcos is also my happy place, even though I live in Tiottari. So is this it? End of the road. Okay. I have no idea where we are at the moment, but the water is crystal clear, and it's a very good spot for snorkeling because of the rocks. So let's peek this side first, because Fokkia Beach should be that side. It's a dead end. But it's so quiet in here and very nice view. I didn't know that Pevcos was so nice. So let me get back to the last turning point, and then let's move on. I had to share this view with you. I decided to go and explore the other road, but this is the bluest water I have ever seen. It's almost the same like in St. George's Bay when you visit Simi. It is turquoise. So they're building many new villas there. So soon you will see a lot of accommodation options added to current ones. So it's really nice. Kavos Beach is just behind those buildings, but we try to go to Fokkia Beach first and see what's there, because I heard that place was very good for snorkeling, and Pevcos has many diving centers also. So I found out what is the beach name. It's Arkeftas Beach, where the crystal clear water is, and so far it is the most beautiful beach in Pevcos, and I can even say in whole South Rhodes. So let's see what Foggia beach is like. We are almost back at Eagle's Nest. We have a pool bar here. And this is Eagle's Nest. You can watch it from my last video about Pefkos. I made a room review quick and pool and bar and everything. But today I have score to settle. Pefkos already beat me with some beaches, which are the most beautiful beaches I have seen in South Rhodos. But our mission is to find Foggia beach. And this is the area where all the beautiful villas are located. So I have seen some of them in social media, and I really would like to be there one day to enjoy the villa and pool and everything else, but in 5 years I will go there. Slow down. So here we have Waterhoppers diving school. Diving school is right here. Who hasn't experienced diving, then I definitely recommend doing that, because Rhodos has some nice places. And as we just witnessed, the water is amazing. So it is very interesting to do that. But where is Foggia beach? I want to know. Is this it? Seems so. This is amazing. Let's see what villas we have here first. Tony's Place and Pearl of Pevki luxury villa. This is the villa I have seen in social media. I really like this villa. It's up there somewhere. But this is Foggia beach. Let's get closer, have a look. Today is about 30 degrees. So my camera is overheating all the time. So I hope it doesn't interrupt some videos I want to show you. So here we are, Foggia beach. This color is amazing. I didn't believe that Rhodos had such beaches, but now I know. You have to come to Pefkos.
Well, I need you to because
amazing. We are on the cliff at the moment. I don't know how close I can go, but people can explore some caves here, and its nature has shaped its own. So this is truly amazing, and I know they are doing scuba diving there, so it's the perfect spot for scuba diving. So go visit Waterhoppers, or there was another one that was dealing with scuba diving and snorkeling. So this is the experience you don't want to miss, because the view is amazing. You can explore the cave here. Whoa, I didn't know Pevkos had such nice beaches. Now I know I have to come back here for a swim. But now let's find out where is Kavas beach. So let's hop forward. So it's a really hot today. So I came to Eagle's Nest and I wanted to say hello to my friend Cherry that you saw from the last video.
Yeah.
So I had a nice cold drink and now we can like go and explore Kavas beach.
Yeah.
So if you come to Eagle's Nest, come and meet this guy, Cherry, great guy, very funny guy.
Aww.
He will talk a lot of stories, so
Thank
you have
you.
a great time.
Thank you, man. Thank
So,
you for coming
thank
back
you.
again.
Thank you
Thank you for coming back again,
Yes,
okay?
thank
I
you.
hope you come back again. And everyone, don't forget to come to Eagle's Nest, okay? And explore your holiday, okay?
Yes.
I'm waiting for you guys. Thank
See
you so
you.
much. See
Bye.
you. Bye.
And now let's try to find Kavas beach. And interesting is that I just talked with Cherry and he told that he never visited these beaches himself because he's working all the time. So go stop by, say hello to cheer him up. And it's the reality here in Greece. Basically, people work with 1 or 2, 3 days in a month, and mostly they earn from tips and everything like that. So let's go down from this road, George Beach Studios and Suites. Kavas Beach should be somewhere here. So let's find out. Everyone is building something. I really liked Fokia Beach. It was like a dream. Let's see what Kavas Beach is bringing to the table. I have no idea yet how to access it, but let's see. I hope it's not a dead end. Lots of villas, hotels. Wow, 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 wow. I think this is Kavas Beach. Again, crystal clear waters. So I want to come here. And Lee Beach is right there. Then yeah, this should be Kavas Beach. And as you see, it's totally clear. If you rent a license-free boat, you can like be 300 meters outside of the beach to drop your anchor. So this is amazing. And we have some restaurants right here. Let's see what we have here. What is the name of this place? Let's see. I don't see any name. It's a nice shadow because it's really hot outside today. I have to check it out. What is this place called? Because it has a really good setup and atmosphere. They have their own like. Hello. Just looking around. Thank you. Amphilialos is the place, if I'm not mistaken. So awesome. You can eat here, drink, have a view on the Kavas beach. So it's like a dream setup. So now I know why people want to come to Pevkos, because Pevkos so far has the most beautiful beaches in South Rhodes. It's they are sandy, they are clear, and you can snorkel, dive here and just enjoy. So hopefully I will contact water hoppers also to go diving around here. As I said in the beginning of this video, I had a score to settle, and I can tell that I lost badly, because those beaches in Pevkos are just amazing. So I lost 3-0. So my favorite beach was Fokia Beach, then Kavos Beach, and then Plakia Beach. I'm so happy for you if you're coming to Pevkos, because you can enjoy the most beautiful beaches in South Rhodes. Thank you for watching. Go check out loonitravels.com and also don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.